This is Emigrace and welcome to my channel. And for today's videos, we're gonna have phonics. Okay, what is phonics at paano ba itinuturo ang phonics sa mga 2-year-old and 3-year-old kids? And so without further ado, let's have it! So take 1 minute a day para ituro yung sounds of the letters of the alphabet. And this is how we do it. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There you have it. Just take 1 minute per day and just comment in the comment section below kung ilang linggo natutunan ng mga anak nyo yung sounds of the letters of the alphabet. And you can use also charts and posters na pwede nyong bilhin sa mga supply stores. But for us, we're using this wooden board since Yoshi is a very kinetic learner. We're using this board wherein you can attach and detach the letters of the alphabets. So there you have it. We just hope that you're gonna subscribe to this channel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you would get notified whenever we upload new videos. So thank you very much for watching. God bless you guys. See you next time. Bye!